This is the question set 17 of DBMS question series. Uh, the question set 17 is based on the question set 16. And in question set 16, we created 4 tables in MySQL Workbench. We made 4 tables from a year diagram. So now let's move to question set 17. They ask what is the relationship between student and subject table. So uh, a single student can do multiple subjects and a single subject can have multiple students. So it should have there's a many to many relationship. But the problem is in a database, many to many relationships does not exist. And if we create a many to many relationship with the student and subject table, an additional table will automatically be created. So in the second question, they tell us to make that relationship between student and subject table. So I will click on this many relationship icon and click on this. Now we can see an extra table is added to the year diagram because we made a many-to-many relationship table. We did the many-to-many relationship within table. So in the third question, they asked us to rename that table into exam mark, student exam mark report. So I click on this. And before that, we need unidentified relationships in the ER diagram. So we should remove this primary key text from the additionally created table so that it becomes an unidentified relationship. And they ask us to rename the table, so we'll rename it as student exam mark record. We rename it as student exam mark record table. And in the next question, they ask us to create a relationship between student exam mark record and the exam term table. These two tables, this table and this table. So in a single exam term, in this student exam mark record table, marks of several students are stored, but all those are stored under one term. So there's a one-to-many relationship between these two tables. I'll add one-to-many relationship between these two. And for the fifth question, they have asked us to add then column name mark to the student exam mark record table and change the data type to double. So I'll add a column name mark and change the data type to double. And create in the sixth question, they ask us to create a relationship between student and class. Student and class. So we know the class can have many students, but the student can only have one class. So it's one relationship. And in this table, it's better if we rename this because when we write queries, it's hard to write with these complex column names. So let's rename them. And now we are good to go. So we did all the 6 questions in question set 17. And this is our year diagram now. And we'll continue the question set 18. Thank you.